Welcome to Numerah. In this video, we are going to learn how to create rate code and its usage in Numerah PMS. Rate codes are used to define the various prices for each room type over a particular date range or rate season. It is possible to identify multiple rate amounts for a single rate code and a separate price per person. Rate codes are also used to support property packages that include food, beverage, leisure, or other elements. By associating package elements with a rate code, it is possible to build a package of entitlements for a guest staying on the rate. A user can configure and define codes as per their requirement from PMS backend. Rate code is available at the reservations configuration setup. Select and enter into rate code to see the configuration needs. Select Add Rate Code to create a code. All the heads which are marked with the stars are the mandatory fields. Without it, user cannot save the rate code. Select Rate Classification from the drop-down, for example, Corporate. Select Company, enter the rate code, and select Currency from the drop-down. Rate codes can be configured in multiple currencies. Enter short description or long description and notes if required. Select Inclusion from the drop-down. Set start date and end date of the rate code. As selected date range, the reservation can be created using this rate code. User can add multiple rates as per room type by clicking on plus sign. Select room type. Define rates for single occupancy, double occupancy, and extra bed. During end of day process, defined rate will automatically get posted to guest folio. Click on Save or Save and Exit button to save the rate code. Thank you.